the fact that this Ghanaian Eze Ndigbo actually, we found out that he actually has a lot of businesses, and the Ghanaian government are not really particularly after him. So we did a little dive to find out what are actually his business activities in Ghana, and it will surprise you that this man has interest in healthcare, he has interest in telecommunication, he has interest in education, he has interest in logistics and haulage, he has interest in food production, he has interest in you name it, most uh, vibrant part of the Ghanaian economy. This man actually have interest there. I guess this is one of the reasons why it will be hard to just wish him as to leave and all the rest of them. So, and looking at this, we find out that we can actually do a follow-up on this, and we intend to bring you in a short while, probably later today or tomorrow. We'll show you the companies, the list of companies that he has that is operating in Ghana, that is using to employ Ghanaians. And it may surprise you that there may even be some people who are his employees who don't know. You know, this is why when you're against a man, you should find out about them. Don't just depend on propaganda. Because I think that what, unfortunately, most of the people in Ghana today, what they are depending on is what some people who are prominent are coming to say on TV. You should ask yourself, why is the government not after him? That's why you should ask yourself. So we need to dig down and let us look at some of those, what's it called now, companies and businesses that he has in Ghana, by which he has been helping the people of Ghana, employing thousands of them. Okay, and because of this, I believe the man have, like the headline says, have checkmated the Ghanaian opposition. That's the way I see it. It's like a checkmate. This is companies are like a, and there's about 10 thereabouts of them. It's in oil and gas, it's in education, it's in aluminum fabrication, it's in telecommunication, installation of masts and the rest of them, it's in haulage, it's in logistics, alright, it's in providing health services, even to the Ghana health services. So if you too you are in government, this will be like a checkmate. It may not allow you to be able to do what you want to do. So let's keep an update with us. We will bring you later today or in the coming days a list of those companies for you to see actually what they do, so that you can, when you are positioning a man, you should properly position a man. Don't listen to those who are telling you, oh, he's a trafficker, he's a this, he's a that. Some of them have not been able to invest in the Ghanaian economy even as he has done. So we have a list of it, but we'll bring you in subsequent broadcast. Well, thank you for tuning in today, and then we'll see you later today, or if not later today, we'll have these updates by tomorrow. Thank you once again for tuning in. Please don't forget to keep following us, sharing our channel, and also subscribe in case if you're not subscribed yet, so that you can know when we go live next. I promise you we're on the matter and we'll bring you all the updates. See you next time. Bye bye.